Reed here, another Reed update. Today we're going to talk about the truth regarding accountability and support in your weight loss and fitness efforts. To start out with, let's define the terms because they're thrown around kind of generally, but accountability are those steps you take to be ready to answer for your performance at all time, reporting into somebody, getting personal assistance directly, things like that. Support, we're defining that as getting help when you in times of need, maybe talking to somebody about your plan, meeting with a group, things like that. So they're similar, they're not exactly the same, but we're going to treat them pretty much grouped together for this review. The bottom line is that accountability and support actually works for weight loss and fitness until it stops. And the black and white research, when you look at it, across the board proves it always stops. And that sounds really familiar to me. Where have I heard that before? Yeah. Counting calories and exercise, it works until it stops. And the black and white research, which we've presented to you endlessly, and there is nothing to refute it over 2 to 5 years, proves it always stops. So you're seeing some of these elements that seem like they are so critical for weight loss and fitness success are because people are defining them on a very short-term basis. Longer term, they always stop, they always fail, and every study supports that. So here's your proof. And the question is really simple. How many more studies you need me to present? Because I can do it. Every time you look at a study, while the support and accountability phase is going on, while the trial is going on, while the meetings are going on, people are losing weight. And as soon as that stops, so does the success, and so the weight gain starts back up. There's no exceptions to this in every diet study that you will look at. You'll see this pattern, and I've tried to highlight the beginning of the check mark from hell, which is the end of using accountability and support. So there is the one study in the green box, and this one was a study to determine the effective treatment. And treatment meaning meetings and support, accountability, things of that nature. And you can see that one group went 20 weeks, lost a bunch of weight, and then stopped. Weight gain started back up again. The 40-week group cranked out some more weight loss because they were getting support and the accountability. And as soon as they were done with their responsibility to go to those meetings, they stopped as well.